are following today. The jury in the high-profile case of New Mexico versus Meta has reached a verdict. Peyton Spellacy joins us live now with that decision. Peyton.
Yeah, Darlene. So the jurors ultimately sided with the state, awarding the state $375 million. It's about 17% of what the state asked for. Joining me right now is our legal expert, John Day. John, deliberations were only 6 hours, pretty quick. Talk about the quickness of the verdict.
Well, Peyton, not even a full day of deliberation. These jurors had 7 weeks or so of testimony to consider. What this tells us is they knew what they wanted to do going into deliberations. They had to pick a foreperson, they had to order lunch, and then they decided we're going to go out and come back with this big verdict against Meta. So they knew a long time ago how they were feeling and what they wanted to do in this case.
Yeah, and then talk about how big of a decision this is for cases against Meta moving forward.
Well, it's huge in the sense that it's a verdict against Meta, against the big digital companies. It's not as much money as the state asked for, but it is going to be painful for Meta to have to pay that out. Now we know there's going to be an appeal. That's a given. But at the end of the day, these were 12 ordinary New Mexicans who said we want accountability and with what the digital platforms do, and this is how we're going to hold them accountable.
Yeah, and as John just mentioned, Meta did come out with a statement saying they don't agree with the verdict. They will be filing an appeal. We're going to have a lot more at 5 about what the jurors had to say as they came out of the courthouse.